So we're just vacuuming the cellulose out of this ceiling, and you can see here we've already done a lot of the rest of the roof, and we're just up to here, and so this is how the job's done.
Good as gold.
And we've got another guy down on the truck who's filling the bags up and clipping them up as we go, and you can see how easy it is to vacuum it up with the machines that we use. This would be a big pile to do if we were trying to do it with a normal vacuum cleaner. Just vacuum all this bit up. So if you want a quote for vacuuming your ceiling out, we're happy to do that. And as you can see, it's not an issue if you ever needed to do any work with the roof or ever had any damage or that. We can just pull the stuff out again. And obviously the insurance company normally pays for us to come and vacuum it up if you've had a roof leak or something. So it's just as easy to pull this out as it is to pull bats out.